back to the 12th century, very special spot. So I'm off hunting holly from a friend's place just down the track from the old church, which is part of the Pilgrim's Way here in North Wales. In the corner of the graveyard you've got St Celynnin's Holy Well. A few legends about that well I'll share with you another time. And this is the church. No electricity or anything up here. Walking down the old trackway now from the church leads down in the direction of Llawen, and this is part of the Pilgrim's Trail that goes from Holywell all the way to Ynys Enlli or Bardsey Island at the end of the Llyn Peninsula. Once you've reached the brow of the hill, the view starts opening out to the other side of the Conwy Valley. So we're looking at areas in centre screen there above Eglwys Bach and the tops of Llangernyw, and that's where I was brought up, in a farm a couple of miles out of the village. I love these ancient steps to get over the stone walls that are prevalent in this area. Quite a view, isn't it? Very glad to see that that chimney stack is still standing on this ancient cottage. And can you see the evidence there of the old pigsties with the turf roof? Views towards the Carneddau mountains in the distance. Not sure you can hear the bird song on this, but I certainly can. And I also just heard the train going up the valley. It's just so still. When you're in a place like this, the old saying of what goes up has to come down is in reverse. What goes down has to go back up again, heading back towards the hill fort.